Hello guys, today in this video you will see that how to create unlimited AI images for free of top premium models uh, available on the internet. So for that we have this website LM Arena. It's legal, but the motive of this website is to rate the LLM on the basis of which is creating better, which LLM is better. So you, for that you can go to leaderboard and you can see that which model is doing good performance. You can rate it also according to that. So for that they have this chat interface where you can give a prompt and it will generate, and you have to choose that which is better, or you can do a side by side also, or direct chat, or a battle. Let's switch to image and create a girl image. Okay, and you can also choose your model. Okay, GPT-4.1, or let's say Gemini Flash, and let's run this. It shows something went wrong because sometimes it doesn't work, just sometimes, but maximum time it works. Like if I will show you this has generated Corpex. Gemini 1 is not working, I think so. See, it has generated, and you have to rate which is better. I will rate GPT. Then you can also type anything else. Let's change the model. So you understood that how to do this. So Gemini 1 is also generating image. Let's see the API they have using. It's from Cloudflare R2 storage. Nice. Right is better. Let's generate human versus ants. Let's see the API request going. You can scrap this also if you want to do some illegal things. This website is on Next.js, maybe. Yes, it's on Next.js. So thanks for watching the video. You know that how to generate unlimited images using this trick. This is just a trick. This is not official that use these models for image generation purpose. This is for a leaderboard person just creating a leaderboard. Google also refers this website for leaderboard. Maybe this website got so much funding, so they are able to provide this for free. I'm just making the video longer because YouTube supports longer videos. Okay, but the main motive was to show this website. This is very good. Our image is really good. Left is better. Why Google? Why? It's not good.